Sturdy die-cast aluminum body. The reinforced die-cast aluminum construction of this kitchen pots and pan set ensures durability and reliability for long-term use. While still maintaining a lightweight design, this lightweight feature brings convenience to your cooking experience. CAROTE 21-piece cookware set includes egg pan, 9.5-inch frying pan, 11-inch frying pan, 1.7 QT saucepan with lid and steamer, 2 for QT saucepan with lid, for 3 CAROTE casserole pot with lid, 5 CAROTE casserole pot with lid, for 5 CAROTE Saute Pan with lid, *3 utensils for *pan protector, our favorite non-stick pots, and link in my description to buy this. Are you interested in my video? To like, follow, and subscribe my YouTube account for more interesting video which you need.